The manufacturing industry is a dynamic and complex ecosystem. It's a world of intricate supply chains, intricate production processes, and tight deadlines. In this high-stakes environment, disruptions can occur unexpectedly, often with significant consequences. From natural disasters to cyber attacks, these unforeseen events can bring operations to a grinding halt, leading to financial losses, reputational damage, and even legal ramifications. This is where business continuity planning, or BCP, comes into play. BCP is not just a corporate buzzword, it's a lifeline for manufacturers. It's a comprehensive strategy that helps businesses prepare for and mitigate the impact of disruptions, ensuring that operations can continue with minimal interruption. In essence, BCP is about being prepared for the unexpected, minimizing downtime, and safeguarding the bottom line. Imagine a sudden power outage shutting down a critical production line. Without a well-defined BCP in place, chaos ensues. Production schedules are thrown into disarray, orders are delayed, and customers are left frustrated. However, with a robust BCP, the company can quickly switch to backup power, assess the situation, and communicate effectively with stakeholders, minimizing the overall impact of the outage. BCP is not merely about reacting to disruptions, it's about proactively identifying potential risks and developing strategies to mitigate them. This proactive approach is what sets successful businesses apart in today's unpredictable landscape.
In the quest for business continuity, automation emerges as a formidable ally, particularly in the manufacturing sector. By automating repetitive, rule-based tasks, manufacturers can significantly enhance their operational efficiency and accuracy. Imagine a scenario where a critical production line experiences a sudden malfunction. With automation in place, the system can automatically detect the anomaly, halt the affected segment of the line, and reroute production to minimize downtime. This real-time responsiveness is a game-changer for business continuity. Automation not only expedites recovery, but also reduces the risk of human error, which can often exacerbate the impact of a disruption. Consider a scenario where a manual data entry error during a system recovery process leads to incorrect shipping information. This seemingly minor mistake can result in delayed deliveries, dissatisfied customers, and a logistical nightmare. Automation mitigates such risks by ensuring that tasks are executed with precision and consistency, even under pressure. By minimizing the potential for human error, automation strengthens the overall resilience of business operations, allowing companies to bounce back from disruptions more quickly and efficiently. Furthermore, automation frees up valuable human resources from mundane and repetitive tasks, enabling them to focus on more strategic and problem-solving activities. In the context of a disruption, this shift in focus becomes crucial. Instead of being bogged down by manual tasks, employees can dedicate their time and expertise to addressing the root cause of the disruption, developing creative solutions, and ensuring a swift return to normalcy.
Process mapping is another indispensable tool in the BCP arsenal. It involves creating a visual representation of every step in a business process, from the initial input to the final output. This meticulous documentation provides a clear and concise understanding of how things work, which is invaluable during a disruption. Consider a scenario where a key supplier experiences a fire, disrupting the flow of raw materials. With a well-defined process map, the manufacturer can quickly identify alternative suppliers, adjust production schedules, and communicate effectively with stakeholders. The process map becomes a roadmap for navigating the disruption, ensuring that everyone involved understands their roles and responsibilities. Moreover, process mapping helps uncover hidden vulnerabilities and single points of failure within an organization's operations. By visually representing each step in a process, businesses can identify potential bottlenecks, dependencies on critical personnel, or reliance on single-source suppliers. This awareness enables them to develop proactive mitigation strategies, such as cross-training employees, diversifying suppliers, or establishing backup systems. Furthermore, process mapping facilitates the identification of automation opportunities. By breaking down complex processes into their constituent steps, businesses can pinpoint tasks that are repetitive, rule-based, and time-consuming, making them ideal candidates for automation. This strategic integration of automation and process mapping can significantly enhance the efficiency and resilience of business operations. Imagine a scenario where a company's IT infrastructure experiences a cyber attack. With a well-defined process map and strategic automation, the company can quickly isolate the affected systems, restore data from backups, and resume critical operations with minimal downtime. The combination of these two tools empowers businesses to respond to disruptions with agility and precision, minimizing the overall impact on their operations.
While the benefits of automation and process mapping in BCP are undeniable, their implementation can sometimes be met with resistance, particularly from employees who perceive these technologies as threats to their jobs. This resistance to change is a natural human response, often stemming from fear of the unknown and concerns about job security. Addressing this resistance requires a proactive and empathetic approach, with effective communication being the cornerstone of success. It's crucial to engage employees early in the process, explaining the rationale behind the changes, emphasizing the long-term benefits, and addressing their concerns transparently. Training plays a pivotal role in this transition. Providing employees with the necessary skills and knowledge to work effectively with new technologies not only alleviates their anxiety, but also empowers them to embrace the change. When employees understand how automation and process mapping can enhance their work experience, improve efficiency, and contribute to the overall resilience of the business, they are more likely to become advocates for these changes. Moreover, it's essential to highlight that automation is not about replacing humans, but about augmenting their capabilities. By automating repetitive and mundane tasks, employees can be freed up to focus on more creative, strategic, and value-adding activities. This shift in focus can lead to greater job satisfaction, improved productivity, and a more engaged workforce. In essence, overcoming resistance to change requires a human-centric approach, where communication, training, and support are paramount. By addressing the concerns of employees and empowering them to embrace new technologies, businesses can ensure a smoother transition, fostering a culture of innovation and resilience.
Balancing costs and long-term gains is a critical aspect of implementing business continuity planning and automation. It's not just about the immediate expenses, but also about the sustained benefits that these investments bring over time. Companies need to evaluate their strategies carefully, ensuring that short-term costs do not overshadow the long-term advantages. By doing so, they can achieve a more resilient and efficient operation, capable of weathering various challenges.
Real-time monitoring is essential for a proactive response in business continuity planning. It enables organizations to detect issues as they arise and address them promptly, minimizing potential disruptions.
With advancements in technology, real-time monitoring has become more accessible and effective. This allows businesses to stay ahead of potential threats and maintain operational stability. By leveraging data analytics and continuous monitoring, companies can ensure a swift response to any emerging challenges, safeguarding their operations and enhancing overall resilience.
In today's digital age, safeguarding critical processes is not just about physical security, but also about protecting against cyber threats.
Absolutely, and implementing robust cybersecurity measures ensures that our business continuity plans remain effective, even in the face of unexpected challenges. Taking a phased approach to automation and process mapping allows organizations to gradually integrate new technologies without overwhelming their existing systems. This methodical strategy helps in identifying potential issues early and ensures a smoother transition.
Embracing technology not only enhances business continuity, but also supports sustainable practices. By optimizing resources and streamlining operations, we can achieve long-term resilience.
Indeed, leveraging advanced technologies enables businesses to adapt quickly to changes, ensuring they remain operational during disruptions. By investing in automation and process mapping, organizations can build a more resilient future. This proactive approach not only improves efficiency, but also prepares businesses to face any unforeseen challenges with confidence.